Hello Myntra beauty fam, I am Anindita and welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about bronzing versus contouring, and in this video I'll show you guys how I like to contour my face for that chiseled look and how I bronze my face for the sun-kissed summer look. I will be using some amazing products that are available on Myntra, and all the links to the products will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So bronzing and contouring are different techniques. A bronzer has typically a warmer undertone and it is used to give color to your face and also give you that sun-kissed glow that you usually see in summer makeup tutorials. On the other hand, contouring is done to sculpt the face by creating shadows, and for that we mainly use cool tone products. Today I'll be using this face palette by Smashbox. It's called the Cali Contour Palette. So this palette has everything that you will need. It has a contour shade, इसमें दो highlighters है, there is a bronzer, a blush, and there is this powder also that you can use to set your under eyes or clean up your contour. First I will contour my face, and for that I mainly contour my cheekbones to give that a lifted look, and for that I will show you guys a trick that I learned in beauty school. The easiest way to figure out where you have to place your contour is to take a brush, place it here from the top of your ear to here. So this is where your contour should be, and this differs from like person to person. We also have a one finger method, so basically place your knuckle on top of your ear and then this is where your contour placement should be. I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to take this contour shade. So the first thing you want to do is just place the contour, and I'm going to place my contour right here. I'm just going to reverse my angled brush and place it right here. Now I would suggest कि आप बहुत आगे तक मत जाओ, यहाँ तक contour करना, it does not actually look nice. Now I'm just going to remove the excess on my palm and then I'm just going to blend it towards my hairline like this. Taking the same powder, I'm also going to contour my jawline a little bit. So I like to just place my contour right here and then blend it downwards. So इससे ऐसी shadow एक create हो जाएगी. If you have a bigger forehead and you want it to look smaller, then also you have to use the same technique. Just place your contour as close to the hairline as possible. I applied the blush using the same technique and I blended it towards my hairline. This palette is so good, मतलब बिल्कुल मक्खन की तरह ये products blend हो रहे हैं. Don't forget to check out the description box for the links. And you can see that on this side of the face there's a shadow created and my cheekbones look more pronounced and it looks more snatched. Now bronzing is one of my favorite things to do. It adds a lot of color to your face and it also makes you look very healthy and glowing. I'm just taking this flat fluffy brush and I am not going to be too precise with the application. I just took some product and first I'm going to place it and then I'm going to blend it towards the hairline in circular motions. I place some of the bronzer on my forehead and also a little bit of my jawline so that the look is completely balanced. This is how both sides of my face have turned out. Now you can clearly tell that I contoured the left side of my face versus the right side, but the right side also looks really nice. It has a lot of warmth to it and I personally really love that look. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video and found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more amazing content. Make your hashtag Myntra beauty switch today and don't forget to check out the links to all the products in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.